DonorsChoose is pretty much like a website. It's kind of like crowdfunding, but a parent or some sort of organization could donate towards like teachers' grants. For a math teacher, it's a lot of graphing calculators, things like that, that maybe not all of your kids can afford. So that way it evens the playing field. Every single kid in my room has the same supplies, but OG&E multiple times has come in and kind of matched what other funding I've had from parents or community members. It's just really nice that a company like OG&E would like give back to the state, give back to teachers and really support them. You can tell they are wanting to like support the future of Oklahoma. You want to support everyone on your street, everyone in your town, and make sure like they have the best education they can. Not having to worry about some of those things, or having a graphing calculator so then they can take the ACT, they can, take an AP test and really kind of push forward and expand their opportunities.